Hey folks, so been a few days since I uploaded a video. I've recorded a few, but well, I'll probably make it up sooner or later. I actually want to pick a lock with this one. So here we've got a master lock. I don't think I've uploaded a video picking this. Just be my luck if I did. Forgot about it. But I don't think so. I'll have to check before I... Anyway, I've got a Master Lock 575. I'm going to try to pick. One of the things I like about this lock is there is no spring to the core, which, for me, makes it a lot easier to pick. I am using a Peterson DeForest Diamond in 25 thousandths with a homemade tension wrench. With obviously bottom of the keyway tension. Let's see if I can kind of show you what I'm doing. No, not so much. So, okay. I think I'm in a false set now, although I may have also overset a pin. First pin's overset, so is the second one, I think. So I'm going to let them drop. First pin feels set, second pin feels either set or like I'm in a... Got some rotation on the core, so that could be a false set. I'm relatively sure this has security pins, although I sadly enough cannot take the core out to check. Oops. What tends to happen with this lock is you get into a false set and then it'll get kind of stuck. I'm going to be very light on the tension right now. Or even move it back a little. Yeah. There we go. Put a few tries, but yeah. So as I'm hoping you can see, there is no way to get this. There's no screw in there, just more brass. And one of the things that's interesting is you can't close this without locking it again. But yeah, so assuming I didn't already upload a video picking this is another fun thing about this lock. You gotta kind of get it just right, or it won't close. Anyway, so assuming I didn't already upload this video, or a video picking that lock, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.